Hi everyone, so today I'll be showing you this laptop gamer, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 with a 5080 GPU. I will be showing you the reason why this computer is one of the best computer right now on 2025, and if it's of course worth it to get it, to buy it, or to do anything with this computer. Alright, so this computer, as you can see, has a lot of RGB lights. All these RGB lights on the keyboard, as you can see, you can change all the effects. Like right now it's on wave, so that's why it's going like these directions like that with the different color. And also you can change the direction, like you can set it to like go to the left, to the top, or anything you want, and you can also customize every single one to have different color or to react when you press the button. It has so many effects. Like I have this keyboard, the Razer keyboard, and also has a bunch of effects. The things that you can do right now um is sync it to whatever is showing on the screen. But when you set it up with the effects and things like that, it looks great, and there's a lot of things that you can do with that. A lot of things that you can do. You can also mute your mic, you can up your volume right here, or you can lower your volume. And also there is a lot of things that you can do, the brightness of your screen as well, right? So this laptop has a very good fan, because a very powerful GPU of course needs a very good fan, so your computer doesn't get hot, or your performance is not gonna like go lower every time you play a video game. So as you can see right now, I'm using silent. So I will be showing you what happened if I hold on. Give me a second. I will do something right quick on my monitor. I'm gonna make this my main screen right now, so you guys will see what I'm talking about. So right now it's as you can see, it's on silent, right? It's on silent. By pressing this button, you can change the profile if you want balance, performance, so turbo, silent, or even custom. But also you can do it by using the app on the ASUS. All right. So this is silent, and I don't know if you guys can hear the noise, but it's very very quiet. And this is performance. All right, so this is performance. Is the fan is gonna go a little bit faster, and it's very quiet. Like you can be playing uh, most of your favorite games on this computer and using only the performance mode, and it's very quiet, and you get a very very high performance on your video games. Um, and this is turbo. All right, so this is turbo. I don't know if you guys can hear the noise, but it's not loud. Like it's not actually loud. And you can go to the app of ASUS, and you can see how much noise it makes. So I just telling you like it's no loud. And this is manual. That would be like custom if you overclock, if you make your fans go faster. So right now is like almost full power of this computer right now, but you can like maybe hear a little bit more of the fan, because for some reason like this computer, it can like block the fan noises very well, because I also have this fan. And on my old computer, on my old laptop, I used to use this fan a lot, because the fan that I was using at the moment with that laptop is not enough. So with this one, um, it was working like great, but it's very loud. Like this is very loud. So this go faster than this fan, like the fan on turbo mode or in custom, like set it out to the max. It will be faster than this fan, but because the laptop have a build and like a specific build for blocking the noise of the fan, it sounds great. Like it's more quiet than this, so you can actually play the game like this and be talking with your friends or whatever. So this is totally fine. And if you turn on this, it will get more loud, and it goes up to 2,800 RPM. And it's a very good fan because it's very powerful. It has these things to like lower it. It's like to match the noises that came out from the laptop. It gotta be like maybe 1,500 or maybe 1,300. I don't know. So it will be around this number right here to match whatever it sounds on turbo mode or on max performance and max speed on your fans on the computer. And when you go higher, this definitely will cover like the whole noise because this is very loud. So it has, as you can see, this has RGB lights that you can change. You can also change the mode of the RGB lights, and you can of course turn it off. All right. So this laptop also has this. As you can see, if you press, I don't know if you can see it right here. I don't know if you can see it right here. It has like a num button or something like that that you can press, and then you can see all the numbers, and you can like click on it, like you can type or touch, and it will type the number. If you want to put plus, minus, enter, or anything like that, it will work perfectly fine. You can press again, it will just um make it like hide it, you know. So yeah, pretty much this laptop is very good, like the way how it looks like, the color, the material, and the things on the back. Like on the back when you're trying to like change your RAM, your SSD, or things like that, it's very easier to do it on this laptop because usually laptop you have to like unscrew the screwdriver and things like that. So on this one you don't have to. For this one you just have to um put the things that is locking the back cover to the side, and it will be open. So you just take it out, and then you have access to the SSD, the RAM. You can change it. You can put two SSD. Like it has two SSD, two slot, like one that already come with the laptop, and the other one that is an extra if you want to buy a new one or an extra one. So yeah, it is laptop is great for performance because this laptop can run games at 4K resolution. It can run games at very high FPS, especially right now. You can use frame generation on games, and it works great. Like for me, it's great. And also you can use smooth motion from NVIDIA app for those games that doesn't support frame generation, and you can also use it for games that actually support frame generation. The only thing that I will say is some programs are not compatible with the motion, um, the smooth motion from NVIDIA, because it get like conflict, you know, like with the overlays and things like that, because it's basically frame generation but it's not supported by the app, so it will cause some problems. So I would recommend you to, every time if you want to do like a test or like a benchmark performance, never use you can use MCI afterburner, but don't use like Revest or anything else like that, because it will definitely crash your game, and it won't let you play like that. So it will crash your game by doing that. So using MCI afterburner if you want to see the stats, the benchmark, and you can also use the NVIDIA by pressing Control C. You will see the right here on the bottom that if you click there, you can turn on the status, and then you can see like the FPS, latency, and things like that on your computer, and it will work fine. So you can literally use small motion on games that doesn't support frame generation, and your FPS go higher than that. For example, if you're playing Elden Ring, or you're playing let's say yeah, well, Elden Ring, you're playing Elden Ring, and it's capped by 60 FPS with the small motion. If you turn it on, you can play the game at 120 FPS without any mode. Like, you don't need any modes to do that. It's very base. It's very simple, and also you just gotta turn it on, and it works great. And you don't see like ghosting or things like that, like moving or anything like that. All right. So another things that I would say about this smooth motion is the is of course no better than the frame generation. Like when a game already support frame generation, it doesn't matter if it's DLSS or AMD frame generation. It will just be a little bit less gray as the original. You know what I mean? Like is no as good as the frame generation or AMD frame generation, but you can definitely use it, and it works great on the games that doesn't support doesn't support frame generation. And as you can see, like I have a widescreen monitor, 34 inches on right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's from KTC, and you can run getting a 4K resolution without any problem. You can have, as you can see, I have the wallpaper live open, so I have like wallpapers like moving all the time, 24/7, and then those use resource from your GPU and CPU. So sometimes like when you have a not that powerful GPU, or your components on your computer is not that powerful, sometimes like it can be a problem on your system while playing games. So especially when you're using two like screen to monitor, right, it will lower your performance. But on this laptop, like it doesn't matter, like you can keep it like this and play the game on your monitor, and it will be fine. Like you can literally do a lot of things, even having the wallpaper right there. And I will be showing you also well, I can tell you the performance on this laptop is crazy. Like I don't even have overclock my computer like all the way up, and it can get more power from whatever you're getting right now on turbo mode, on or on manual. Like if you set everything to the max, you will see like the actual power and how it gets, how many FPS you can get on games, and how smoothly can run games on like very very high graphics settings. So yep, I think that's all. This computer is definitely amazing. Like you can, when you turn it off, you can see like for like the computer will shut down. But when you turn it on, when you press the button to turn it on, you will see like the RGB lights like going around the computer. It's like it's gonna be like on the keyboard like a red, or you can change that color, but for mine it's red. And then it will go around like, it's like loading or something like that. Is amazing. And also the camera is a very good quality. The camera is very good. And yep, this game can run most of the AAA um games right now in 2025 with very high FPS. Like I have tested a lot of games like GTA, Wukong, games like from Epic Games like Rock Lee, Resident Evil, Fortnite. You can actually be playing any single every single game, and your performance always on every single game will be crazy. Like it will be super super high while using ray tracing or no ray tracing, using high graphics at 4K resolution. All right. So yeah, so that will be everything for today. So I would just say like it's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it to buy this laptop to get it. And if you will get one, I recommend you to yeah, play video games and try the best games right now, like the games up there, with all the max settings and things like that. And also something that I want to say before you guys go, and this computer also has well, there is actually many computer. I also have the tutorial how to fix that. So there is no something bad about this computer. I don't know, like I cannot find anything bad about this computer. So the only thing I will say is that some laptop gaming for some reason right now is having a problem with the with a USB hub, or like a power system with the USB, all the things that you have plugged. For example, I have the mouse, this, the keyboard, headphone. I have the speaker right here. So those things are connecting to the USB hub, because it has one port, USB port on this side. It has another one right here. So you know, it's no well in this side has two, but I'm using the other one. So wait, yeah, I'm using the other one. So this side have two, this side has one. So if you wanna plug something else to the computer, you gotta have a USB hub. So I recommend you, if you having problem like your device is getting like shut down, something like that, like randomly when you play video games or things like that. It's a very common issues on gaming's laptop, and I make a tutorial how to fix it like completely. Like there's no need to do it again, or you don't have to get back to that and then do that again. No, it's just one time fix. Like you fix it and that's it. It won't happen again, and your device will be totally fine and everything will be good. And yeah, this laptop is amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you next time.